In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to update your photo to something more current or simply want to refresh your online presence, changing your profile picture in Teams is a straightforward process that I'll guide you through step by step. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and log in if you haven't already done so. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Teams window. Here, you'll find your current profile picture or your initials if you haven't set a photo yet. Click on this area to open a drop-down menu. This menu provides quick links and settings associated with your Microsoft Teams account. After clicking your profile picture or initials, you'll want to do so again or select the option labeled Change Picture to proceed further. This will allow you to access the option for uploading a new picture. It's a simple process, but it's the foundation for customizing your profile in just the way you want. Next, you need to choose Upload Image. This action will prompt your computer to open a File Explorer window. Here, you can browse through your files and select the image you wish to use as your new profile picture. Take a moment to ensure your chosen photo is a clear representation of you. If you're part of a professional setting, a photo that's simple and professional is recommended. Perhaps a smiling headshot or a work-appropriate picture. Ensure also that the file format is compatible. Generally, a JPEG or PNG will suffice. Once you've selected a new photo, click Save. By doing this, you're confirming the change, and Teams will start the process of updating your profile picture. It's an effortless step, but critical for finalizing your new look on the platform. One thing to keep in mind: after you've saved the new image, it might take some time for the change to be visible across all devices you use Teams on. This delay is normal and can vary. It's best to be patient as the system synchronizes your new profile picture. Meanwhile, you can continue using Teams as usual, and there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've successfully changed your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Remember, this small personal touch can contribute immensely to your online presence within your workspace, making communications more personable. Keep this video handy in case you need a refresher, or if you want to guide someone else through these steps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated profile picture.